Joanne with expressionsvinyl.com, and I am so excited to finally share what's in the July mystery box. So let's get started. This one, we did a really fun theme that we haven't done in a while. Actually, I don't know if we've got any patterns out there like it right now, but this one comes with our set of blanks, and we'll open those in a minute. And then our fun vinyl, our adhesive pack, and our HTV pack. And it's all a travel theme. So I will show you a close-up and go through everything that's in the box. Okay, let's open the adhesive pack first. And each pack will come with an insert that shows you everything in it, as well as cut settings that we recommend. So let me get this one opened and show you all the fun different types of vinyl in it. Okay, the first one is probably one of my favorites. It's called Passport. And it's got passport stamps from lots of different places. And then Going Out of Town is a map. And the third one is called Say Hello. And it's just hello in lots of different languages. And then finally, Travel Fun. So all sorts of different modes of transportation and travel. Then we have in the Caesar Easy PSV Starling, we've got Sage, Aqua, and Pink. And these go so great with all the different patterns. And then in Series 51, it's Sugar Plum and Carrots. And we had to add a little fun into it. So this is the Rainbow Mist Metal. Another fun one to work with. So these are all the different colors and patterns that come in the adhesive pack. And I can't wait to see what you guys make with these. These will be so much fun. Okay. And then you do also get transfer tape in your pack as well. Now, the heat transfer pack. In this one, you get your insert again that shows you everything in the pack, as well as cut settings and temperature settings. And you get the passport in this one. So you get passport in both adhesive and heat transfer. And the travel fun. So many fun projects to be made with that one. And then in Easy Weed, you get Sage, Hibiscus, Flamingo, and Mustard. And then we had to throw in another fun one for this one. This is the Light Green Aurora. And if you haven't worked with this one, it is a fun one. So this is what you get in the heat transfer pack. All of these fun patterns and the Easy Weed and Aurora. And again, this is gonna be so fun and bright and all sorts of different projects I'm thinking of right now that would be fun to make with it. And then for your blanks, we thought we'd do something a little different and keep it all travel related. Since the patterns in here are travel related, we want them all travel related. So there's a few things hidden inside. Everybody needs to go to the beach or go out in the sun or do something like that with these fun bucket hats. So you get a bucket hat and you can put heat transfer on the brims, the edge, all sorts of different ideas. So you get the one bucket hat. Then all of you who travel often, you can see the camera there, but the best way to travel, and you have to have one of these, is a travel mirror. So these will come off, they're just protecting right now, but a fun travel mirror that will come in so handy. And it even has lights that can go in it, LED lights that will go in it. So you just need to add a battery here. And then these cute luggage tags. You get 3 of these and 1 of each color that matches right along with that vinyl. And I was thinking not just as a tag for your suitcase, but these would make cute little picture frames, cute little things to add to backpacks, and you could put vinyl here, even with this out, add some fun vinyl in there. So a lot of different ideas with the luggage tags, and of course they come with the ways to attach them. So this will be a fun one with all sorts of heat transfer, adhesive, and then these fun blanks to go along with it. So thank you so much. We're so excited for you guys to get this box and start creating fun projects. So we hope you enjoy this box. Thank you.